In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and update your status on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using a desktop or a mobile device, managing your status in Teams is an essential skill for maintaining effective communication with your colleagues and ensuring you're always in the loop. Let's dive into the process. To begin, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams on your preferred device. You'll find that the interface is intuitive and user-friendly, whether you're accessing it via your desktop or on the go with your mobile device. Once you have Teams open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile picture. This is your hub for managing personal settings, including your status. Click on your profile picture to reveal more options and settings. You will notice that the drop-down menu provides various choices. But for today's task, we want to focus on your current status. It's important to note that your status communicates your availability to your colleagues. You might see it listed as available, busy, do not disturb, or away. Each of these statuses sends a clear message about your capacity to engage with others at any given moment. Once you've identified your current status, take a moment to consider if it accurately reflects your availability. It might be set to available when you are, in fact, deep in a project and unable to chat. Conversely, it could be set to do not disturb when you're open to communications now. It's crucial that this status is correct, as it directly influences the way people will approach you throughout your workday. If your current status needs updating, don't worry, it's quite simple to do. Within the list of statuses, go ahead and click on Available, or whichever your intended status is. From this point, if you wish to align your status with broader, more automatic configurations, there's also an option named Reset Status. This feature is particularly useful. It syncs your status with any appointments, meetings, or calendar events you've got scheduled so that you don't have to remember to change it manually each time you shift gears. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully checked and updated your status in Microsoft Teams, making sure it reflects your current working mode. Ensuring your status is always updated not only keeps your communications streamlined, but also fosters smoother interactions with your team. Now you're well equipped to manage your availability with confidence and ease, no matter where you are working from. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out more of our guides on mastering Microsoft Teams and other important work tools.